for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Xterra. Accelerate your activity with the Nissan Xterra. Its powerful 24-valve V6 lets you climb faster and further, while its versatile interior lets you stretch out in style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.